Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andy in case you're new here, and today I brought you these very gorgeous Christmas wreath earrings. They are very beginner friendly, very easy to be made, and doesn't take much time as well to be prepared. They're making a really great gift idea for the Christmas period. And of course, don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for future videos as well. And if you would like to support me with the yarn, you can do it in the Buy Me a Coffee webpage, which I placed the link below this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. We will need to have the following materials for these earrings. I'm going to use size 2 cotton yarns, the same as you would use for amigurumi project. These are scrap yarns. The brand name is Fiocco. And then we will need to have furthermore pearl beads. These ones are 3 millimeters each one of them. For crocheting, I'm going to use a 1.60 millimeter crochet hook. And we will need to have another crochet hook as well. The one, it doesn't matter the size, just important that it will fit through the center point of the pearl beads. And then we will need to have also yarn needle, 2 rings. These ones are 2 centimeters each one of them, earring hangers, stitch marker, and a scissor. We will start with the green yarn and the ring. So I'm going to fold it in 2, insert it in the middle, grab the 1.60 millimeter crochet hook, insert, and then pull it over. Now we will crochet over this excess yarn as well. This is actually going to nicely secure it. So you're going on under, we need to do 30 times single crochet into the ring. So this is going to be our first single crochet, and we are going to mark it with a stitch marker. And now we need to do another 29 times single crochet into the ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the last one, 30. Now we can remove the stitch marker, and we are going to exactly insert the crochet hook where the stitch marker was, grab over the yarn, and then make a slip stitch. So pull that over here. Now we are going to change to the other crochet hook, which is for me 0.60 millimeter, and we're going to grab one pearl bead, insert, and we are going to pull that through just like this. I'm going to grab back the other crochet hook and have a look here. We are going to skip one chain, and the one after coming one we are going to insert the crochet hook, grab it over, and we are grab it over, and we are going to make a single crochet just like this. Then pull out slightly. Again, we are going to grab the smaller crochet hook. I'm going to grab another one and pull it through. Grab back the other crochet hook size, skip one chain, and the one coming after we are going to insert, and we are going to make a single crochet here. Now again we are going to repeat it, pull it through, change it back, skip one chain, and then the following one we're going to make a single crochet. Now we pull out again. Altogether we will need to have 6 of these pearl beads after each other. So this is our 4th. Skip one after, insert, and single crochet, pull out, grab one more, pull that through, change back without the crochet hook, skip one after, single crochet, and then one more to have 6 on one side. So the last one in this side, we're going to grab one pearl bead, pull that through, change it back, and then skip one, and the one after coming we're going to make a single crochet. Then you will need to do 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 2 times single crochet into the next one, 1, twice, twice, 1 time single crochet into the next one, 2 times into the next, 1 and 2. Perfect. So now we're going to slightly pull this out, grab the smaller crochet hook, and going to grab the next pearl bead, and we are going to repeat the same exact thing that we did here. We need to have 6 pearl beads and until exactly to the top, so we're going to repeat exactly the same steps. And this is the last one, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we leave one out, and in the second one we're going to make a single crochet. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna leave some excess tail and cut the yarn. Pull the yarn out, grab the yarn needle, and then have a look in one of these chain. Here I'm going to insert from the back to the front. I'm going to insert it back exactly the same point where we were now. Trying to create that little V on the top. And now in the back side, which is here, I'm going to try to hide this excess tail. So try to not interfere with the pattern in the front, so just do some stitches in the back, so at least it's nice and firm, it wouldn't want to come out. and you feel that it's nicely secure, then you can cut this excess yarn. And now here in the center, we're going to add the earring hanger. Just try to aim for the middle. Then we're going to close it. Perfect. Now the last step that we have to add a red little bow here. So we're going to grab the other yarn and going to cut down a smaller piece, maybe around 15 centimeters. Then with the help of the crochet hook, we are going to pull it over, kind of try to see equal distances. Okay, I'm going to add here one of my sides. So from the back, you're going to pull it to the front. Trying to hold on to one, so it's just only one comes out. And then on the other side, which could be somewhere here, so it will be equal distances, I'm going to grab the other one. Going to pull that over as well. Perfect. And now we're just going to have to tie it in a bow. It might not be that easy in the beginning because you obviously have to make a bigger bow, but I'll show you how to make it nice and small. So initially my bow is big, you see, and then I'm going to pull onto that in both sides, creating a smaller bow, tightening it at the same time, and then again pull a little bit on it. Again, you can pull onto it, secure, until you reach to the desired size that you prefer to have. I think for me this is perfect. And once it's nicely secured, it's nice and strong, then you can just cut the ends just like this. And our little Christmas wreath earring is ready, and don't forget obviously to make another one from this. So our gorgeous Christmas wreath earrings just got ready, and I hope that you enjoyed the process making them. I think they turned out really cute. They are making a really great gift idea for Christmas and for the holidays in general. Please don't forget to like this video, hype it, and subscribe to my channel for future videos as well. And I hope I'll see you very soon in my next tutorial as well. See you and take care.